I want to say on this thing that how much ever I have experienced till now, healing and these aspects, where I see that when you as a therapist or you as a guide are not doing a personal touch, where you're not going the beyond your boundary, not completely allowing them within you, no, but you have to go to a point where you understand that you need to make them comfortable, and to open their real self you have to share their personal experience. If you don't do, that's a point, there is a point where they feel that you're only advising, you're just giving gyan. That comes from a point, because I've been into both spaces where I've been a guide, I've been a student myself.
This is where we need to decolonize
decolonization comes.
these conventional practices.
Exactly.
Also.
And come to non-conventional practices, because as you said, अगर आप किसी को ले रहे हो banyan tree के अंदर and we are talking normally, उसका setup क्या है? We're just talking, chit-chatting. They are not conditioned कि no, I'm boxed in a room and I need to say everything that happened in my head to this person. They're not conditioned, they're not bounded, they're free. They're seeing nature, they're seeing you, they're seeing trees around. They're connected, they're lively. Roots के साथ connection है, earth के साथ connection है. वो groundedness, grounding feel होती है. So the body is in a place where it feels safe. And that process between you and that person is an ecosystem. It's a divine space that's happening, where they are not conditioned कि नहीं ये अभी मुझे सिर्फ ज्ञान देगा. No, they come up from a point कि no, I genuinely need help. I genuinely need a safe place to cry out, and you are a safe place, and I can feel that. So I feel that responsibility comes with the is a powerful responsibility which lies on the therapist's part, where they need to create that comfort zone where the person becomes vulnerable and experience the emotions to the core. And you cannot do in a conventional way, to be honest, because आप एक box approach में just a very I deal with energies. I will connect with that.
Each and every approach has its limitation.
Everything has a limitation. You have to mind by your boundaries.
Only nature is limitless.
Exactly.
Boundless.
Boundless रहो. Every approach is limited, but understand आप खुद के limitations खुद describe करो. Whenever you're taking a client, or whenever you're taking a person, they know, you need to understand that they are a human and they're complete in themselves. This is just a phase where they're unable to see their own radiance, own light, because they're like boxed by different illusions or influenced approaches that they have gained from the surroundings. अगर आप वो hierarchical method use करते हो कि okay, I am the guru, or I am the teacher, and or I am the therapist, and you are just a client, do you think they will open up? I don't think they open up. When you choose consciously, you will come to their point and their level and speak at their level. Okay, let's open up, let's talk about it, let's be ourselves. No one is judging you over here, and you can be vulnerable, you can be yourself, you can talk me shit and I would not judge about it. Then their real self comes out, then they become vulnerable, because you have to tweak within their mind. You cannot be like, I take you to a setup and be in that and just vomit all the emotions out there. Why would they be vulnerable if their body itself is not feeling safe? If their mind is feeling like, I will be judged, every statement I say I'll be judged and I'll be tagged. Either I'm having ADHD, either I'm having OCD, am I having clinical depression, am I having BPD? So these big words, why people in India don't approach to therapy? Why do you see that? Why is that research gap happening? Because we are approaching therapy from an aspect where we are not understanding how human beings are in India, how psychology works in India. People are conditioned in a way कि अगर हम किसी के सामने open up करेंगे, as you mentioned, the podcast वाला thing, If we become ourselves, we'll be tagged, we'll be judged, we'll be questioned, and we'll be labeled. So I feel when you're going to a therapist, when you're going to a guide, when you're going to a mentor, the mentor's responsibility is to create that ecosystem between you both where you can say anything and everything.
But you also need your native soil
Yeah, you also
to grow,
need-
you know.
and that happens, as you said, that
And the
only
ingredients for that
exactly.
soil preparation,
Yeah.
you will need some.
सीड को आप ग्रो करने के लिए टाइम तो लगता है.
And that seed also
Yeah.
needs the soil,
Needs
the
the
native
soil.
soil.
Native soil, nature. So you have to go beyond your thing. People say कि नहीं, how come we can go travel there and be there? I've done that, sir. I'll tell you one experience. That's very much shocking and out of the box, but it's not a story. I'll tell you. I feel जब आपको जिसके साथ मीट करना होता है, जब मीट करना होता है, आप मीट करते हो. It's the right divine timing. Believe in divine timing. One day what happened, I was traveling all the way from Delhi to Delhi में एक द्वारका से I was traveling back to Dwarka. I was traveling from Rajiv Chowk. So from there, I always choose right metros. Never it has ever happened कि मैंने wrong metro choose कर दिया. That day I chose the complete opposite metro. वैशाली के लिए मैंने choose कर दिया. And from there, मैंने I just discovered when it reached that okay, I've come to the other end. I need to go to the other end.
Now see that butterfly sunbathing over there. Can you?
No, see, 1 second. Wow, that looks amazing. Yeah, that looks amazing. Yeah.
ऐसा ठहराव की जरूरत है.
Wow, that pause, that ठहराव, that detachment and attachment with your own self, ingrained self. That's important in life. That pause, that one stop is very important. So yeah, as I was saying, that वो जो journey था, I took the other way, and I reached.
I keep deviating
Yeah.
people from their path.
Yeah,
also,
that's
so I'm sorry
perfectly
for
okay.
that.
That's perfectly okay. We can be ourselves.
Yeah.
So once I reached there, I understood कि okay, I came to the other way. So when I came there and changed the line, and then what happened? So I keep on meeting
And
people.
sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
That's what nature does.
Yeah.
That it keeps you connected to the present moment.
Present
Now,
moment.
there is a butterfly
Yeah.
behind you, and I'm.
Did
I
you
was-
see it?
Now it's gone.
It's
but,
what? Okay, nice.
But nature also
Yeah.
keeps you distracted. You know.
Yeah, there was something
So- Yeah.
flying. Yeah, nice. It's cool. It's amazing.
So I say it's like, you know, oh, there are so many butterflies behind you.
yeah.
So many butterflies. Wow. So that's how nature is therapeutic. That
Right,
it keeps
right.
you connected
Yeah,
to the
yeah.
present moment.
Grounded,
You don't have to go to your past,
and you don't have to go to
your
the future.
and this and that. You just stay
You
in
have
this
to
moment.
be in now, not even the next moment.
So it is like here and now.
Yeah, here and now. Past, present, future, everything exists right now. That's all. Like आपका next moment भी exist नहीं करता. That is also an illusion. That you're believing in next moment मैं क्या करूँ, कहाँ जाऊँ, ये वो. जो लोग होते हैं ना हरी में एक चीजें करते रहते हैं. और फिर like भाई ठहराव चाहिए लाइफ में. आप एक जगह बैठ जाओ. Can you be with yourself and still be happy? That's the important thing. Without doing anything, can you be happy? Like, you know how this thing is there, that thing is there. I mean, no, you have to be in this moment. Then you will
Now there is
experience.
this butterfly.
Nice, wow. Yeah, that's so beautiful.
You will have a lot of difficulty with me when
Hey,
you
that's
sit,
perfectly
when
okay.
you sit in the nature with me and keep distracted.
Amazing, that's okay. That's absolutely okay.
So I
Yeah.
say, you know, that I think. Have you heard that Descartes' quote?
No, I
Descartes.
would like to listen.
I think, therefore I am.
Yeah, okay.
So there is this funny thing also. I think, therefore I am single.
Nice.
And then I also say, you know, I think I'm free.
That's why I'm free.
I think I'm free. Therefore I am lost.
Wow.
Lost in the nature.
It's a deep quote, yeah. Like you are
Yeah.
free, that's why you're lost. Yeah,
I think I'm free. Therefore I am
lost.
... lost
Lost.
in the nature.
it's important to lose.
Just
in-
borrowing something from
Yeah.
Descartes.
Yeah,
only.
I have this quote that I've written like a long back, that it's important to lose in different people or different situations or different things to actually
Sometimes it's
Come
also
back.
important to
be lost.
go lost.
Go lost. That's what it's
To
very.
lose yourself.
It's very much important.
Lose yourself somewhere.
People think कि important नहीं है. How can we lose ourselves?
Hmm.
It's very
That
much
is their
important.
fear.
That's their fear.
And we call it fear of breakdown,
Okay.
If I lose, I will come to a breakdown only.
Right. Right.
That is the fear of most people.
That's also an insecurity, you would say.
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay. So it's important to lose oneself to regain oneself.
Hmm.
Because it's all about
True.
पंख से पद्म बनो, पद्म से फिर पंख बनो, फिर पंख से पद्म बनो. That's all
You
a
have to
metamorphosis is.
reduce your social roles,
You have to.
your burdened
Yeah.
selves.
You have to
basically.
keep your liabilities less.
Yeah.
कोई भी चीज जो आपको लिमिट कर रहा है, आपको लग रहा है कि आपको बॉक्स कर रहा है एंड आपके हायर सेल्फ से कनेक्ट करने के लिए आपको रोक रहा है, यू
Yes.
हैव टू कट दैट टाइम.
Yeah.
लाइक एज आई से कि यू हैव टू कट टाइज और कट बॉन्ड्स in order to like reunite with your higher self.
That's true.
Yeah.
Very true. I
Very
also say
important.
that.
Very important because you
That you are
can.
so much disconnected from your higher self.
Yeah.
You're not having any guidance,
Any
light,
guidance,
light
yeah.
from there, and
Mhm.
that's how your life is so dark.
Because sir, आप खुद ही सोचो, as we are talking, we are free people, free birds.
Hmm.
तो अगर कोई पर्सन के साथ चेंड है चीजें, कैन दे फ्लाई freely? Can they fly freely with a flight, with a normal, easy flight? Can they do? Because see, agar I'm there, I'm a bird, okay? I am chained with attachments with my mother, my father, with my past, with my role, with my profession, with my designation, with my authorship, with a n number of things.
So taking a flight is also important.
Very important.
Like we say, like
Hmm.
fight and flight mode.
and
Psychology
flight.
में जैसे हम बोलते हैं
Mm-hmm.
कि I am stuck in a fight and flight mode.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I am fighting, sometimes I am taking a flight,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes I am frozen and freeze.
Cold. Mm.
I don't know how to put this in this scenario, but I
Mhm.
was just thinking how it is important to also lose yourself and to
Exactly.
take a flight.
Lose, yeah. It's
Take a
very much
flight,
important.
but not going away from your reality. Also.
You have to be invested in the moment, not get consumed.
Yeah,
जो आपने बोला, it's important to lose oneself also because
but it is also important to stay connected with your reality.
with your reality कि आप क्या हो,
Yeah,
आप क्या बनना चाहते हो.
taking a flight doesn't mean that you just उड़ जाओ.
Going. No, there's this thing that Alfred Adler says कि you have an inclined duty and responsibility towards society. You're a social being. You can never think that you're alone. That community feeling, you have an allied responsibility towards society to give back. आप consciously करो, unconsciously करो या subconsciously करो, but you will always do that.
Hmm.
तो आप ये कभी नहीं कर सकते हो कि आप अकेले आए हो अकेले जा रहे हो. No, that never happens. It happens within your psychic self does that, but when your social self happens, when your ecological self, as we are talking about, you have an inclined duty towards the society because the society has given you indirectly or directly some sense of security. जब कोई इंसान नहीं होता आसपास, माँ बाप नहीं होता आसपास, what is there? Nature is there. There's plants around you. There's animals. There's birds. Even I'll tell you, non-living objects also speak to you. Are you conscious enough to listen to them? There are people, no?
There is a stone from the beach from
Mhm.
over there.
This one?
Yeah,
Okay.
it has some energy in it.
Okay.
It is so alive.
Yeah, that's what.
The stone is
Everything-
alive.
Mhm.
The stone can talk.
That's what बोलते हैं ना कि आप अगर आप मानने से पत्थर है, ना मानो तो पत्थर
There
है,
is an,
मानो तो
there is an energy
भगवान.
in
Yeah,
this stone.
yeah, हर चीज में एनर्जी है.
So I am into gardening so much.
Right.
So I keep collecting stones
Stones.
from different places,
Mhm.
and I do some bonsai trees
Right.
and some desert plants,
Amazing.
some cactuses,
Wow.
in a very artistic way.
Mhm.
So I place certain stones in those bonsai trays.
Wow.
Like these stones are from Goa, from Banolem beach,
Mm-hmm.
and these stones are from that place. So it gives me some connection, and some memory also.
Just think like up
that I have energy from so many
there.
locations.
Yeah, you and it's a
So I am
memory.
still collecting
Yeah.
so many stones from here and some shells, certain things on the beach, which I find interesting.
Yeah. And when you concentrate it at a point, just feel that that's an energy source. That's an energy source. And you
So I was
experience-
just standing on the beach and I was thinking, connected to my higher self.
Yeah.
So in some communication, in my meditative state.
Right, right.
So I was in my meditative state at the beach and I was like that this ocean will talk with me somehow. And suddenly I open my eyes and I see a stone,
Mm-hmm.
which was a heart-shaped stone.
Wow.
only. And I was like, wow, that's a gift from the ocean, which I am receiving. I have it in my room right now.
And
So,
just interesting.
so in many ways, the way I was saying that the ocean talks with
Talks to
you,
you.
gifts also.
Yeah.
So let me tell you then a few symbols or metaphors because this conversation is stretching a bit far now.
Yeah.
So let's say I was at the beach once and it was low tide.
Mm-hmm.
It was low tide and I was witnessing it for the very first time that the whole beach was empty.
Oh my.
I could walk the land where I was imagining it was filled with water
Wow.
all around.
Okay.
So I was walking on the beach
Mm-hmm.
where I never saw it this much empty, So I was like, there is so much space for me to walk in.
Mm-hmm.
So why can't I take a few days for myself only?
Yeah.
Why to let waves keep coming with these high tides? So let's also live some low tides.
Low tide.
Taking space also to walk and
Right, right.
ठहराव में जाओ थोड़ा सा.
Exactly.
तो वो एक मेटाफर जैसे ओशियन ने मुझको दिया. Another metaphor could be I was sitting on the beach with this bag, so many precious things inside, and my slippers also, and I was like so much fearful. I was in some memories also, some painful memories also, and I was so lost.
Mm-hmm.
And then I was so worried also, fearful also that these waves can reach me any
Can
moment,
reach me.
and can my slippers, my bag
Everything will be lost.
can be swept away with the waves. I can lose all of it.
Yeah.
All material things that I have.
Right,
And I was
right.
like, Rajesh, you need to lose some material things with you.
Yeah.
Only then you will be feeling free.
Yeah.
But that ocean waves were keeping me alive.
Alive.
Were keeping me connected to the present moment.
Present
And that's what nature does because nature is also destructive. Nature is also constantly changing. It is not something very static sort of a thing.
It's in-
So that's how nature is therapeutic, that it keeps you connected, it keeps you fearful also.
Right.
Take some responsibility.
Yeah, yeah.
Take care of your bag.
For
it can be
sure.
swept away, man.
Yeah, yeah.
So that destructiveness, that constant changing is also very important to be with and be a little active and alive.
That rage is important.
Yeah.
That's that thrill
Love
and
and rage.
Yeah, love and rage.
Both
Yeah.
are important.
Yeah. It's everything is fair in love and war. बोलते हैं ना.
Mm.
Life is all about that. Life, if we see, it's a battleground or else it's a home.
Mm.
It's a peaceful space. It's a heaven or else it's a hell.
Mm.